Buckle up, tech enthusiasts. We're about to dive into an AI showdown that's hotter than a CPU running crisis. In one corner, we've got Microsoft Copilot, the productivity powerhouse. In the other, ChatGPT, the jack-of-all-trades language model. It's like watching Iron Man's Jarvis face off against Star Trek's Data, but with more spreadsheets and less space travel. Let's start with Microsoft Copilot, the digital Swiss Army knife of the Office suite. This AI isn't just another spell checker on steroids. It's like having a personal assistant that actually remembers your coffee order and your deadline for that big presentation. Copilot is so deeply integrated into Microsoft's ecosystem, it makes Clippy look like a paper clip that fell behind the desk. Imagine you're knee-deep in a PowerPoint presentation, drowning in a sea of bullet points and transition effects. Copilot swoops in like a caffeinated superhero, suggesting layouts, generating content, and even adding those cheesy stock photos your boss loves. It's like having a team of interns working round the clock, but without the need for pizza and Red Bull. But Copilot isn't just about making pretty slides. This AI can crunch numbers in Excel faster than you can say quarterly report. It's like having a mathematically gifted octopus, manipulating spreadsheets with lightning speed and precision. Need to analyze 5 years of sales data? Copilot's got you covered before you can even find the sum function. Now, let's shift gears to ChatGPT, OpenAI's smooth-talking AI that's got more conversation skills than a motivational speaker on espresso. This digital wordsmith can chat about everything from quantum physics to cat memes without breaking a sweat or overheating a server. ChatGPT isn't just another chatbot. It's like having a polymath pen pal with an internet connection directly to its brain. Need to write a sonnet about blockchain technology? ChatGPT's got you covered. Want to discuss the philosophical implications of pineapple on pizza? It's ready for a debate that would make Socrates proud. But here's where it gets wild. ChatGPT can adapt its tone faster than a chameleon in a disco. It can go from writing a formal business proposal to crafting a stand-up comedy routine quicker than you can say natural language processing. It's like having a linguistic shapeshifter at your fingertips. Now, you might be thinking, great, but which one should I choose? Well, folks, that's like asking whether you'd rather have super speed or invisibility. It all depends on your needs and what kind of digital sidekick you're looking for. If you're a Microsoft Office junkie, spending more time in Excel than in your own bed, Copilot might be your digital soulmate. It's the productivity equivalent of strapping a rocket to your desk chair. You'll be churning out reports, presentations, and emails so fast your coworkers will think you've cloned yourself. Let's break down some scenarios where Copilot might just edge out the competition. Data analysis extravaganza. If your job involves more numbers than a math textbook, Copilot's Excel integration is your golden ticket. It can spot trends, create pivot tables, and generate insights faster than you can say data-driven decision-making. It's like having a team of data scientists working 24/7, fueled by silicon instead of coffee. Email overload management, drowning in a sea of unread emails. Copilot can be your digital lifeguard. It can draft responses, prioritize messages, and even suggest polite ways to say no to that colleague who always wants just 5 minutes of your time. It's like having a personal secretary who never takes a coffee break. Presentation perfection. Or those times when you need to make a PowerPoint that doesn't put people to sleep, Copilot's got your back. It can suggest designs, generate content, and even add those little animations that make your boss think you're a PowerPoint wizard. It's like having a graphic designer and a content creator rolled into one, minus the artistic temperament. 4. Document drafting delight. Writing reports doesn't have to be a soul-crushing experience anymore. Copilot can help you draft, edit, and polish your documents faster than you can say writer's block. It's like having Ernest Hemingway as your ghostwriter, but with better grammar and less alcoholism. Project management magic. Keeping track of deadlines, tasks, and team members can feel like herding cats. Copilot can help you create project timelines, assign tasks, and even generate status reports. It's like having a super organized assistant who never forgets a deadline or misses a meeting. But let's not count ChatGPT out just yet. This AI still has some aces up its silicon sleeve. 1. Creative writing. When you need to let your imagination run wild, ChatGPT is your digital muse. Whether you're crafting a novel, a marketing campaign, or just need help with a witty tweet, ChatGPT's got the creative juice to spare. It's like having Shakespeare, Don Draper, and that one really funny friend all rolled into one. 2. Customer service champion. For businesses looking to up their customer service game, ChatGPT can be a game changer. It can handle customer queries with the patience of a saint and the knowledge of an encyclopedia. It's like having a customer service rep who never has a bad day and never needs a bathroom break. Codemania Companion. Developers, rejoice. ChatGPT can be your pair programming partner, helping you debug code, explain complex algorithms, and even generate code snippets. It's like having a senior developer looking over your shoulder, all 24/7, minus the judgmental sighs. 4. Language learning buddy. For the polyglots in training, ChatGPT can be an invaluable tool. It can help you practice conversations, explain grammar rules, and even tell jokes in your target language. It's like having a language exchange partner who's fluent in every language and never gets tired of your mispronunciations. Brainstorming buddy. When you need to generate ideas faster than a popcorn machine, ChatGPT is your go-to. Whether you're naming a new product or coming up with blog post topics, ChatGPT can fire off ideas like a neural network on steroids. It's like having a room full of creatives, but without the need for snacks or coffee runs. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say the ethical considerations in the server farm. As these AIs become more advanced, we need to address some heavy questions. Are we cool with AIs that can mimic human conversations so well? What about privacy concerns? It's like we're building our own digital doppelgangers, and we need to make sure they don't go rogue and start a robot uprising. Both Microsoft and OpenAI are waving the ethics flag higher than a referee at a soccer match. They're promising responsible AI development faster than you can say data privacy. But it's up to us, the users, to stay vigilant. We need to make sure these digital helpers don't cross the line from assistant to overlord. Looking to the future, the possibilities are as endless as a procedurally generated universe. We might see AIs that can predict your needs before you even have them. Imagine an AI that starts working on your monthly report while you're still hitting snooze on your alarm, or a digital assistant that can negotiate your salary raise while you're busy binge-watching cat videos. But with great power comes great responsibility. Thanks, Uncle Ben. As these AIs become more integrated into our lives, we need to make sure we're not losing our human touch. We don't want to end up in a world where AIs are writing our love letters and composing our music. Although, let's be honest, an AI-generated breakup text might be less awkward than doing it in person. In the battle of Copilot versus ChatGPT, it's not about choosing a winner, but rather understanding which tool fits your specific needs. It's like choosing between a Swiss Army knife and a Swiss watch. Both are precision instruments, but they serve different purposes. Copilot shines in the corporate jungle, where efficiency is king and time is money. It's the AI equivalent of a power suit, ready to tackle boardroom presentations and quarterly reports with equal gusto. If your work life revolves around the Microsoft Office suite, Copilot could be the productivity boost you've been dreaming of. On the other hand, ChatGPT is more like a digital renaissance man, equally at home to discussing Proust or programming in Python. It's the AI you want at your dinner party, capable of engaging in witty banter on any topic under the sun. For tasks that require a touch of creativity or a dash of out-of-the-box thinking, ChatGPT is your go-to digital brainstorming partner. As we stand on the brink of this AI-powered future, it's crucial to remember that these tools are just that. They're incredibly powerful, yes, but they're designed to augment human capabilities, not replace them. The most effective use of AI comes from a harmonious collaboration between human creativity and machine efficiency. In conclusion, whether you're Team Copilot or Team ChatGPT, one thing's for sure: the AI revolution is here, and it's typing faster than we can think. These digital assistants are not just changing the game, they're inventing a whole new sport. So are you ready to embrace your new AI partners in crime, productivity? Whether you're looking to boost your office efficiency or have deep conversations about the meaning of life and memes, there's an AI out there for you. Just remember to thank them when they inevitably take over the world. Who knows? Maybe being nice to your digital assistant now will earn you a comfy spot in the human zoo later. Until then, keep your processors cool, your inputs clear, and your sense of humor intact. The future is AI, and it's looking brighter than a screen at maximum brightness. Just don't forget to blink occasionally. We wouldn't want our human eyes to become obsolete too quickly, would we? After all, in this brave new world of artificial intelligence, it's our humanity that will always be our most valuable asset. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to go ask Copilot to schedule a meeting with ChatGPT to discuss the finer points of AI ethics. It's a brave new world out there, folks. Let's make it a good one.